Ready to open the hood? Use tool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. Remove the access flap inside the trunk. Identify the plastic wing nut which holds the lights. Unscrew it, turning the nut anti-clockwise. Identify the place where the carpet opens. You should now have access to the second holding wing nut. Unscrew it. Use a cloth, fold it in two, place it on the joint between the light and the car body. Insert a medium-sized flathead screwdriver and lever so that the light comes out. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally, in line with the car. Then, remove the power connector using a thin flathead screwdriver. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulbs back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. And finish screwing the two holding wing nuts. To replace the bulbs located on the tailgate, unclip the plastic cover. Using a socket wrench and a T20 torque socket, unscrew the holding screw on the headlights. Then, remove the lights. To remove the side light bulb, take hold of the plastic cap and make a quarter turn to the left. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. To replace the reversing lights, take the plastic cap and make a quarter turn to the left. Push and unscrew it a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the fog lights, repeat the same process as undertaken for the side lights. Put the light back in its housing. Screw back on the holding screw for the headlights. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.